How to fix YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube link thumbnail not showing on WhatsApp. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp, and let's say when I try to paste this YouTube link and if it's not showing any kind of thumbnail, or your thumbnail is not showing on your WhatsApp, then what you can do in that case is just head over to your settings on your device, just like this, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you find the apps button and just tap on it. And now all you have to do is locate your WhatsApp application. So once you locate your WhatsApp application, just tap on it and just click on this, scroll down and click on storage option, and just click on this clear cache, clear all the data, and you may have to re-log in with your account. And once you clear all of your data, your issue should be fixed successfully. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.